Nation. Your favorite square is back. Your favorite square is back. Hey, today new opportunity. You already know 2020 going up. Like a movie that's never going to end. I got a new reveal, new car alert. No, it's not going to be on the channel, no. But I'm going to review it with y'all. You know, a little something slight. You know what I'm saying? Something slight. They started right. Gotta do a little few errands. I haven't been in the Jeep. Have been here all week due to like, some little headaches like that. You see that? Sounds good, looks good, still clean. Maybe last Sunday it's still clean and raining there. You will see the new car today. And it ain't nothing like this. Oh, no, it's not a funny act to it as well.
Yeah, I'm trying to get my man right over here.
Hey.
Show him how to work something.
Hey, y'all go follow a nigga. If y'all seen this, y'all already follow me.
Yes, make sure y'all looking at this sticker. Make sure y'all go follow my man. You know, hey, his name is on there. There's no excuse. If you see this car, hey man, pull out the phone, type it in. It's right there. But I'm about to help OG level out this bathroom.
Crackhead stuff.
Yeah.
That's gonna end my video. I know y'all like y'all like the car. I know y'all like the CTS. It's a 3.6, but you know, y'all seen that I put them letters on the car now. So you know, drive like, just follow me on this journey. He wanna be in the video so bad. Say hi. Say hi. He eating his little apples. Yeah, as you see, they're asleep. So. Are currently actually in the Cadillac. Not really, but really our night started. I just can't be on film without somebody doing something extra. So I'm gonna get my little, we about to go out and about. See, I guess she got something to say too, I guess, I don't know. But yeah, I got all my kids tonight, so that's why I gotta end the video so early, cause they're gonna have me occupied tonight. So stay tuned for more videos. I will be dropping this video tonight, posting it tomorrow, Sunday, so hope y'all enjoy this. You know, it's something, you know what I'm saying? Been working a little bit overtime, so to get stuff like this, you know what I'm saying? To give y'all that action, that pressure, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so let me get up much for me. It's your favorite square. Stay tuned.